Trying to escape smoke-filled skies, we took to the mountains, even with thunderstorms looming in the distance. This is the Selkirks. Alright, we're up here in North Idaho with a couple of our friends, and we're headed out towards Fault Lake, which should be about a 12.5 mile round trip, backpacking trip with about 2,800 feet of elevation gain.
Slow and steady wins the race. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. So excited to get this off. Yay. Oh.
Oh, that's worth it. Alright, supposedly there is a thunderstorm rolling in tonight, but there's a chance that it might hit us. So we are going to make our way up towards Hunt Peak, which is that one up there. And then we'll come down. We should be able to see if storms are coming from up there. And then if we need to make any decisions on getting out of here or ride out the storm for a couple hours, then we'll make that decision later.
You always put your hands through the thing too. That's what Doug does.
Did it!
She means to this point because we still have a little ways to go. So, not quite there yet. Woo! At the top of Hunt Peak, and kind of looks like there used to be some sort of hut or something up here. I don't know. It's kind of cool. It's got some remnants of some blocks and rebar and all sorts of stuff. But wow, you can see Priest Lake from up here. Tons of roads too. A lot of logging roads and whatnot. Wow. This is awesome. You got where we came from, Fault Lake, over the ridges, Hunt Lake, and then back behind us, I think this is called McCormick Lake, if I remember right. So, super pretty views up here. I don't see the thunderclouds yet, but definitely a lot of smoke rolling in. I know there's some fires over in Montana, and one just started over at Hayden Lake area. So I think we got kind of lucky with timing of this, because we might start getting socked in with smoke here pretty soon.
All right, now we made it to the top. Now we have to get down.
Well, this just in, the storm has arrived. We got thunder, we got lightning, and now apparently it's dumping rain. So I guess time to jump into the tent for a little bit. So when you're stuck in your tent during a storm, what are some of the things that you like to do? I have my Kindle. Sarah's got nothing.
My brain.
Probably sleep.
Probably. I do love sleep. Or snacks, or...
Cards.
Yeah, cards are great.
Yeah, we don't have cards. So you're just gonna sleep and eat?
Probably. I'm a bear. I hibernate and eat.
Yeah. Now might be a great time to talk about our favorite tent, the Hyperlite Mountain Gear Ultimate 2. We have had this tent for 7 years now. When we went to Patagonia is when we got it. And it has held up in all 4 seasons, crazy weather, and this thing is an absolute beast. But the best thing that we like about this is how much room there is in this 2-person tent for 2 people. And because of our sleep setup, we sleep on half of the tent, and then the entire other half is for us to just spread out our stuff so we see everything that we brought with us. So if you want to see what our typical couples gear loadout is, there is a video you can check out. I'll put a little card up here for you. And that goes over our entire sleep system, backpack system, everything for couples.
Right now we're utilizing the full space of the tent. So as you can see, our red sleeping pad behind us, it's going long ways, and that's how we sleep. You can see the pole right here. So this space back is what we sleep in. Right now we're using our sleeping pad as a couch and we are actually laying the opposite way right now. So we're fully extended out into where our gear is at. So there's so much space in this tent, and we literally have been in full-on rain puddles, and because of like the bathtub in this tent, it goes all the way up to the here. You can see the lining right up here. It goes really high up. So it's fantastic in all weather.
So if you do want to check out the tent, there are links down in the description, so go give it a try. And if you do have one of these tents, comment below what type of weather has been the craziest weather you have used that tent in. Looks like the first storm has passed. Supposedly there's another one coming in later today, so we're trying to pack up, head out, and try to beat that storm.
I'm sick of huckleberry.
Alright, it's that time for us to leave. Every time we have done backpacking trips up here in the Selkirks, we've had thunderstorms, so I guess that's just what to expect out here, which is kind of fun, but also sometimes a little unnerving. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We have adventures every single week, and then we have workouts and other videos as well, product reviews, etc. And we will see you in the next video.